So we're leaving the hospital. So you're gonna go down and get the...
Yes, I'm gonna go and get the car and bring it right up so that you can just pop right in there.
Okay, and I can't wait to go home. It's been like 3 days and 2 nights. I'm like, woo!
Right, so...
Where's my shoes?
Ooh. You won't need them.
Oh, yeah.
You won't need
But are they in the
them.
back?
Yeah, everything's in here. It's all packed up.
Want to make sure
Let's check.
of everything.
Yeah.
Wait, do you want to... I think we take those socks home.
Well, do you want them? You said they weren't comfortable.
I mean, they're comfortable, and I think they're good socks. Yeah, we can take them home.
Can't really wear them with anything. They've got the rubber
Yeah.
stuff on.
Oh, did you get our shampoo? And
Yes,
stuff?
I did.
Okay.
All of that.
I'm just looking.
So I've got everything.
Got like more stuffed animal and literally everything.
Yep.
That is so good.
Okay, make sure there's nothing in the sheets here. Okay.
There's
Orange in the
nothing.
bed.
There's nothing.
Okay. All right, sweetie. I'll see you in just a few minutes.
Okay.
I'll be in Daddy's sporty car.
Leave the door open.
Okay. Don't forget your phone.
I won't. I'm gonna take it.
Finish your milk.
I can't. I'm tired already.
All right.
Okay.
Wish me luck finding my way out.
Yeah. Good luck.
Not easy.
Probably isn't. So, I've been in the hospital for 2 nights and 3 days because I can't walk. No, I couldn't. Now I can. And I couldn't feel my legs. My legs were numb and everything. But they're better. I can move them. I'll give you the tour of my room. I'm leaving today. Transporters are gonna come, and transport lady is gonna come with my wheelchair, and yeah, I'm guessing. And that's where they took my IV out. There was a big blood vessel, so it's kind of squirting blood every second. But I mean, it's fine. And yeah, so I'll show you a tour of my room. I have this blanket, and that was my robe and everything. All this, it's the board. There's my nurses and everybody. I got a TV. There is a couch that pulls into a bed, and there's like a Christmas tree down there in the courtyard. That's the bathroom. It's pretty big with shower and stuff. The chair folds out. Oh my god, all this equipment thingies. I don't know. And this. And yeah, the sink over there, and then the hallway over here. Yeah. And this is actually a nightlight, and I love that. Yes, I'm just waiting for the transport to come and pick me up. And yeah. I'm just waiting. So, alright, dressing. Not doing hair stuff or anything. I got my hair back in the bun. Yeah. Well, goodbye. Bye, guys.